Hello viewers, the wait is over. iPadOS 18 is finally here, bringing a host of exciting new features to your favorite tablet. While Apple Intelligence might be a bit of wait for the users, there are plenty to explore and enjoy in this update. Recently, I have updated iPadOS 18 on my iPad 10th generation, and the first change that I have noticed is now you can customize your apps, which means you can organize apps in any way. Actually, apps icons and widgets can take a new look with a dark and tinted effect, and users can make apps appear larger or create the perfect experience, and also they can adjust the color and the look and feel of the display. After iPadOS 18, you have the option of moving the app anywhere on the screen. You can adjust, so this is a very good feature. After iPadOS 18, you can organize or you can place the apps wherever you want to. After this update, the Safari app is also updated. Now you can hide or you can remove the unwanted ads that distract your reading experience. Suppose you want to hide this, you have to click on the hide and a cool animation will disappear the ad from the screen, and you will have a great experience of reading the content on your Safari browser. After this update, actually Apple has added 5 new wallpapers by the name of iPadOS 18. You can get a very good wallpaper. Using these wallpapers you can have a new look, and you can also adjust the color of the clock style and also the font style. Moreover, Apple has released the new iPadOS features that let users lock and hide apps. When an app is locked or hidden, content like messages or email inside the app is hidden from search, notifications and other places across the system. Users have the option of unlocking the screen with Face ID or Touch ID. I will show you how to hide and lock apps in iPadOS 18. Whenever you click on this, you have to touch on the Touch ID. Now, suppose you want to hide this app. Now you have to click on Touch ID and it will hide the app from the main screen, and you have to click on this blank folder to access the app. By touching on the Touch ID, now you can access this app. So this is the process of hiding or locking the screen of any app. For the first time, Apple has included the calculator app in the iPad. Now you can access basic, scientific and math notes on this calculator. Plus there is an option of converter, so you can convert many units. Before iPadOS 18, this calculator app was not available in App Store for iPad, but after this update they have included this into the iPad, and now you can access this calculator app with many features. One of the most exciting features of this iPadOS 18 is the inclusion of audio recording in your Note app. Now you can record audio in the Note app and use them in your Note section. This feature was not available in the previous update, so this is a welcome change for the users of Note app. Now you can access the audio recording and you can make notes using your iPencil or any other third-party iPencil. Now in the Note app you can solve equation like this. You can multiply, you can subtract, you can add, you can do a lot of mathematical tasks on your Note app, and it will easily show you the results within seconds, as you can see here. Some users want to know whether they can straighten the language or straighten the text by using a third-party pencil. The answer is yes. You have to select the text and then you have the option of refining the text or straightening the text. So these are some changes that I have encountered after iPadOS 18, and I am enjoying using this tablet very much. In this video, I have discussed only few settings. There are a lot more settings that have changed in this iPadOS 18. So I will make a separate video on the other important settings and changes of iPadOS 18. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.